This is Brielle's first time eating Cheerios. She's 6 months. You're doing a stellar job, little girl. Missed your mouth a couple times. A couple Cheerios on the dip end. Hi. What are you doing? Here, you want some more? There you go. Look at that. Oh, close. You missed your mouth. Good job. Do you like it? No, maybe not.